sounding? How we sounding? I hope this is very clear. I want to get a new computer so I could actually just stream these while I'm actually going through them. So I can provide like two different forms of content, like one where it's fully live and then one where it's actually recorded, posted on YouTube, and kind of more concise, right? But let's get into the video. So today, I had no trades on the market today. So you can even go into my account here. I did no trades at all today. I didn't see a good setup, and also it was CPI day. So I'll be going through what the market looks like on CPI day. Where might have been some possible setups, but today I didn't like how big the candles were. It felt like a gamble going into any trade today, so I just decided to not trade it, right? So the let's see, this was the CPI release actually around 8:30. Yeah, this was at 8:30. You can see this huge print up, and I can actually let's actually do that. Let's see what about CPI today was very good, and I'll do that by just simply going to Twitter and typing in CPI, because you know Twitter is a great honest news source, right? So CPI actually came in less than expected, which is bullish. If CPI, which is the what the Fed uses to track inflation, is actually going lower, it can actually tell us that the Fed is at the max of raising interest rates, and the only way down is probably to cut interest rates or to actually to just remain at a stable interest rate level, right? So CPI, let's see. Let's see, what did they say about CPI today? CPI out in exactly an hour. That was 10 hours ago. This guy usually posts some like the important snippets from CPI, so let's see. Wow. He just has the estimates. CPI will be out in 12 hours. So nothing on the CPI specifically, but we know for sure it came in lower than what the analysts expected and most of the market expected. So CPI had a great push up. You had a bearish candle to the downside at 9:15. But none of this actually came into my rules because I'm planning to not trade unless it is during the New York session. I'm saying okay, only make trades during the New York session. This would have been a nice trade. I'm not sure why I didn't see this, but this is a nice trade. I think trades like these I'll be looking to take more. So you have a big push down, and then you have a doji, which can be a reversal candle. So you have reversal on the MACD. You have a three line strike bullish indicator, and you also have what seems like rejection off of this 200 SMMA, which is a smooth moving average. And let me make sure that's a 200. Yeah, that's a 200 SMMA, so it has a lot more importance than the other smooth moving averages, right? So this could have been a nice trade to the upside. I didn't take it. I didn't see it, to be honest. You're not gonna see them all, but this is, I guess, the one trade I probably would have taken on the entire day, because these are just way above the smooth moving averages. The only way I see this playing, or me playing this, is to take it down to a smooth moving average, like coming back. But otherwise, this would have been the best trade on the day. And then this as well, this could have been trade as well. But this is where my indicator or signal would have came in. And let's see, or do we have notifications? No, we have alerts. And then it's a good thing we checked. My alerts were stopped here on the QQQ. QQQ. And I'm trying to see the last alert, but okay. So I just want to make sure that we got that alert. What time was this? 1:45. So this is the 1:45. Okay. And also on the QQQ. Ensure. Okay, and this is open. Okay. So what basically, if you put this on your, it's hard to explain this unless you're actually doing this. So if you actually put this indicator on your chart and you set a alert for whenever it prints one of these indicators, which is a big ass candle or a bullish engulfing candle or a bearish engulfing candle for here, this is how you could have entered this trade. I mean, if I had looked at this trade, maybe it would have been a good trade. With my stop loss, I mean, below, I would aim for a stop loss below the smooth moving average and call it that, right? That's it. That's the only way I would have taken this trade today. But you can see we had this big move today. I wasn't saying, all right, I'm going to try to take it more to the upside. Nah, I'm not entering after I see such a big candle because my stop loss is down here, basically at that point. And I don't want them to just grind me out for that entire move down. I think tomorrow we have PPI tomorrow, so that will be very important. But this is how the market might trade today. You can see it kind of formed. I don't know if this is a double bottom, up, or is it a head and shoulders? It's like one arm, shoulder, head, come back down, shoulder, something like that. I don't know those as well, but I know that just price action, just seeing the price move, I can say, all right, this is where a reversal might be, and you have a bullish engulfing, and then you have the MACD kind of telling you that as well. I didn't see it today, not sure why, but that's basically it. No trades today. Let's see if that how did that look on the QQQ, if that would have been something that could have been entered. Oh, how do I go back? Go back. Oh, this is the red. This is a smooth moving average. So it didn't come all the way down here, but you see that doji pattern is kind of telling you that there might be a reversal. Let me show you doji. So this is just a candlestick pattern rule that I learned. It's important to read things because you tend to learn a lot, right? This is your doji. You have different types of dojis: the gravestone, the long-legged, and the dragonfly. But here you can see the doji means the same thing. Rarity of having the open and close price for a security be at the exact same price. I want to find what it mean, right? And then we can close out this video. I won't keep it too long for you guys. So some analysts interpret this as a sign of price reversal. However, it may also be a time when buyers and sellers are gaining momentum for continuing a trend, right? So you can see that right there we had a doji. We had a doji and then we had a nice reversal, and we have other things telling us that the reversal was strong and would have played out. So we had a nice doji here. It's a long-legged doji with a high price and a low price, and then price basically rejected from this level and reversed, continued. That's basically it for today's video, guys. I got the hiccups during the video. It's natural. So if you get hiccups too, I hope you like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.